Hi everyone, it's Artist from Makeover. Just another job. Got another conservatory roof we were gonna be doing. So we can take the glass out, put a timber structure, use a composite tile to reduce weight. Then we're gonna have some like a cornice with a boxing to create sort of a step. So we can add cornice onto it and then hide the LEDs in it. So yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy this, and we'll catch up with you in the next video. Hi everyone, it's Artist from Carpentry. Today we're back on the roof, on the conservatory roof. Fortunately it's not quite ready for us. As you can see, scaffold hasn't been moved yet, but we're gonna make a start. Show you what we're dealing with this time. So as you can see, this time we got not a square profile, but this alley is like an L shape, which is part of holding the guttering and everything else. So what we will be doing, we'll be planting timber on inside here. Also that will be for our trough. So you're going to put 4x2 on, drilled into that, screwed into the alley, and then we're going to have plate sitting on this edge and bearing on that timber once it's screwed on. So that will be supported that way. So we're gonna make start on that today, and hopefully by the time we're done with that, the scaffold for us will be moved, because obviously we can't get in there at the moment, and we need to, so we can get our pitch and everything and rafters in. So it needs to just come up a flight. If it goes to that flight, it'll be all right. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it, and I'll catch you in a bit. So we pinged the line, as you can see, and we got a situation where that corner is low by 15mm. But because we're gonna have trough light, we're gonna have to, and also we're gonna use this as our finish, this molding there. So we're gonna have to go with the flow, unfortunately. So we're gonna have to make it, that corner, slightly lower than everything else, because we can't really start taking this down, then we'll have a lot more problems later on and we can't really go lower because, as you can see here, our trough light gonna have to go around there as well, and if we do come lower then the doors are not open, so we don't have really much choice, and we're gonna have to go the way it is, because once the trough is in we're gonna have to follow that through on this side as well. So we're gonna go, we're gonna raise it up slightly. We're gonna use 4x2 like so, so it's flush with the top, and then when we put our plate will rest on the alley outside and on this 4x2 there, and we're gonna screw obviously into the alley from the top and then into the timber, and that should be fine then. So yeah, that's what we're gonna start doing. Hopefully scaffolders come and take that scaffold away so we can start pitching the roof. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it, and catch up in a bit. Hi everyone, it's Artis from Carpentry. There's Dan there as well. So what we done yesterday, we formed a start for our trough. So that's what we're gonna have. So we screwed 3x2, and then we also added plate on the top. So now, because obviously of the weather not being the best, what we're gonna do, we're gonna move these boards that way slightly on both sides. We'll keep this temporary roof on for as long as we can. We're gonna mark out center of the roof, and we're hoping to start forming the roof, the top. Once we get frame up, we can then main frame, so which would mean gable end rafters, or not gable end, the rafters against the house, then rafters where it means the hips, and the middle rafter, central rafter, and then we basically could get rid of that and just use, you know, membrane to cover it all up and go from there. So because we don't know with the weather, obviously it's not looking that great, but it's not raining, that's the main thing. So hope you're gonna enjoy it, and I'll catch you in a bit.